in between, you know, due to my system issues, it wouldn't be possible actually for me. Can you help me out, sir, for now?
Yes. You can share your screen. I can guide you.
Okay, just can you give me a minute, sir? Actually, it's working. It's not working out. 1 minute. Because for me, it's not giving an option to share screen, sir. Here, camera and screen share. It's not even giving for me.
Oh, screen
Because
sharing.
I think you are. I think you have. You have to.
Okay.
Sir, I mean today. Yeah. You have to open the.
Yeah, I think I have to make you as a presenter. Yeah, I have make you as a presenter. I think you can share your screen.
Yeah, I'm doing.
Yeah, see your screen. You can ping me one email.
So can I do it, sir?
Hey, I'm just pinging you one link, okay? Microsoft link.
Okay.
From there, you can.
Sure. I mean, today I'm the only person who joined the meeting.
That I'm not sure. Maybe organizer has to confirm on that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, actually, for the last 2 sessions, we have seen a few other people also joined, right?
Yeah, that's what I think. 3 to 4, around 4 people were joining.
Yeah, around 4 people have joined. Yes. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, meantime, maybe we can try with the trial version creation. Maybe
Yes, sir.
People to join in between. Yeah, I have shared you the link. You just open that link in the chat window. I
think I didn't receive. You can see my screen, right? I think I didn't receive.
Yeah, I have pinged you now. Okay.
Yeah,
You should have received.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. To sign up for the trial, you can click on go to trial overview page.
Sign up for free marketing trial, you mean?
Yes. That is there in the middle. To sign up for trial, go to trial overview link. There is one option. Not there. Come right in the middle section. Yeah. Go to trial version page. Yes. Just
trial overview page. Okay.
Yes. Correct.
Try for free?
Yeah. Try for free.
Sir, how about after 30 days, sir? If you want to use it?
It's like after 30 days, actually. Yes. Generally, if we want to use after 30 days, we have to take a license. But it's like a general. Sometimes the Microsoft will extend our trial for a few more days.
Okay.
That depends on each user to user.
Yeah, understood, sir. So how we have to generate the email?
Yeah. It's like it will not allow any personal emails. You can try with your organization email.
I mean, I don't have any emails in such a way as of now.
Oh, okay. You do not have any organization email,
No.
personal
No.
email.
As of now, no, sir. Okay. No. I mean, they have closed already. So yeah.
Okay. Then there is another way of creating an account with our personal account. Just close this and go back to the link.
What's a link? You want me to open the same link again which you have sent me?
Same. Yes,
Okay.
correct. Yeah. There is a other option, free Office 365 E5 trial is there, right? Just click on that. No, not there. In the middle
Got
section.
It. This one, right?
Yeah.
Free Office 365 ES trial. Yeah, got it.
E5 trial. Yeah. Go click on the free trial.
Which is in the right side, you mean?
Right side, there is a free trial link is there, right? Below that.
1 minute. Because of this meeting one, I cannot see actually. Meeting. Free trial, yeah, got it.
Yeah. Here you can give your personal email and reply.
A personal email which I'm using right now, you mean?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yes. Yeah. You can fill the mandatory fields, not everything is required.
Okay. So middle name it's okay. So surname I'll put Kumar. It's okay, right, sir?
Yeah. Anything is fine.
Contact number it has to be mine or it's okay?
No. You will get the OTP. You have to give
Okay.
your number.
Company and all those it's okay, right, sir?
Yeah, you can give any company name. It's not like.
Okay.
Yeah, you will get the OTP to your mobile number.
Yeah.
Here you have to give some address which is unique. Okay, just try give something. If it is not allowed, you can give something else.
Okay. I mean name, right? You're asking my name.
Just try with that. Check availability. Yeah, it is allowing. Just remember this. This will be your username. Okay.
Okay.
Just
Kumar.
make copy of this.
Sumesh.
Yeah. Maybe copy into some notepad or somewhere. Because next this will be your username to log into the application.
Okay, sir. Or else I think it's one. Can you give me a minute, sir? Don't mind.
Sir.
So what is the ID, sir? Like Kumar Sumesh dot on Microsoft.com. That's it? Or no is there something like that?
Yes. No. Kumar Sumesh dot on Microsoft.com.
Yeah, done, sir. I've saved it.
Yeah. You can give, I think that will be the domain, complete domain. Kumar Sumesh dot on Microsoft.com will be the domain, and you can give some username here. Yeah, you can give same thing, no problem.
Same thing, right?
And you can set some password. Yeah, you can set some password.
So it's already marked the first one and second option. So you want me to mark it?
No, that's fine. You can sign up. Oh, it's showing some technical error. Even for me as well, it has shown the same thing. Right? It shows some technical error.
I thought this is, I mean, okay.
No. This should allow. Actually, this is a initial trial license, so it should able to allow us to create some trials. Sure, but I think there is some technical issue in creating the trial version, it seems. Okay, maybe we'll try some time or something about the trial version creation. Okay.
I'll do one thing, sir. In the afternoon also,
Because,
after like 1 hour or 2 hours, I'll try to do it again. If it is
yes. Yeah. Yes. You can try some time after in a day, so that if it allows, then that should be fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me check with the organizer whether I can start or wait for everyone.
So if I refresh the page again, it is asking me to fill the email and everything again from first.
Yes. I think you may get the same error if you may get the same error even after filling that, but don't try it now. You can try after maybe sometime, maybe afternoon or something, because there is some issue from their end, I guess.
So you were into this MS Dynamics since 12 years, right, sir? You were saying since 12
yes.
15 years.
Yeah. Yes. I'm into Dynamics only. You are from the technical background, is it, Sumesh?
No, sir. No. I mean, this is my comment. Before I was like into sales and everything, sir. I mean, I used to work in a international voice process company since 5 years. So recently, I just launched myself into this IT sector. So I just started.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't have any experience in IT sector. Sir.
Oh, okay. Good. No problem. Actually,
that's what it's very new when you're saying some, because some words are technical words and hypothetical words which I cannot understand.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because it's like I'm not just saying it as a kind of maybe it's better you start understanding those things instead of I am going into a very novice way, because this is a kind of some it will be after this training you should be able to directly catch the interviews and take a job like that, right? It's not like if I start something like if I teach you in a very basic or normal student way of training, those who are in college or something, it may not be helpful for a kind of enter into some big enterprises and start getting the jobs. Okay, it's until unless you understand these terminologies and how this application can be used in the real time, then only you have the real benefit. Otherwise, otherwise you simply learn some tool or something that will be kind of for your own learning, but it's not like there will be a lot of gap between what industry is expecting and what you have learned. But yeah, you will have the knowledge, but how to apply that knowledge to the real time, that no one will teach you later.
Yeah, that's it, sir.
Yeah. That's the reason while teaching itself, it's like I'm just focusing on like how it will be used in the real time. Okay, by relating to the real time scenario only, I'm just started explaining. Yeah, anyway, it's like during the implement, like I teach you using the tool, right, by logging into the trial version. At that time, you may not feel that way, because anyway, we'll start explaining each and every feature, right? So that's where that will be kind of common for everyone.
Okay, I understood, sir. But my version, I mean, my thing is like when I work practically, then I guess I learn something. I mean, for example, if you're doing some, you told me yesterday, like we have to open that and we have to put your email ID and you have to open it, and where we can see chat box, flow chart, everything you told me, right?
Yes.
So if we, I mean, practically if we work, then maybe, I can learn very easily. I mean, very fast. Because theory, nothing we can do. Theory we have to understand, right, sir? But there are some things which we have to work on that, right? So at that time, I'll try to work behind you. Then that will be easy, actually.
Yeah, that is true. Maybe first initial few sessions, maybe we have to discuss on the theory part. Then definitely we'll start the hands-on.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So as today we do not have the trial version, maybe I will start with the sales process. Okay, within the Dynamics customer engagement module, we have the sales process. Okay, I'll explain you the sales process. Okay, it's like first I'm starting with the business functionality of each module, then we'll enter into the technical part. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yeah. So if you understand the basic process of each functional module within the Dynamics customer engagement, so it will be easy for you to understand the application in a better way.
Yeah, yes. Sir, any reason nobody joined this meeting today?
It seems a few people are they requested for the recording. It seems for today's session.
Okay.
Maybe I think these people will share the recording to them.
Yeah, it's okay.
In the till last session, we have learned about the basic marketing process, right? How the marketing process will work in the real time. It's like they will conduct any marketing campaign, and from there they will capture some leads, and they will nurture that lead to make that business more meaningful. Out of the good set of leads, they will have a multiple connects with that particular person, and then finally they will qualify some leads, so that they have the kind of going to start the business with them, or they are going to start buying their product. Okay, but still, even though they are going to be the customer, that doesn't mean they have already bought a product, right? So even once they started, once they are interested to buy a product or buy a service of particular company, it's like still it's like they show an interest, but it's like they have the multiple options, right? Let's suppose if you take any telecom customer, okay, so some person is interested to take some internet plan, okay, so you have conducted a campaign for your new internet service provider, which is newly launched in the market, and you conducted a kind of some campaign, and finally in that some six customers are shown interest to take a product, but they have different options available, right? mm, Within the product, like some with 1 Mbps speed and 5 Mbps speed and 10 Mbps 1 Gbps speed, and you will get this much of download speed and this much of download data you will get on a monthly basis. If you take a 6 months plan, this is the option. If you take a 1 year plan, these are the options. There are different types of the options available for between the service which they are expecting, right? So it's like so in that case, they will go with the proposals here. Okay. These are the with that customer. Okay. If you are buying to buy that, let's suppose whatever the example I have given, like the new internet connection option. Okay, they will give the different options to us, right? If you take this option, you will get the following feature: this much of speed and this much of download data you will get, and as a complimentary, you will get 1 month free subscription, and maybe the installation charges are free for you initially, or maybe if you go with the 1 year subscription, you will get the router for free of cost. Like that, there are some free set of options will be available if you go with one package. And if you go with the another package, there are different options available. Maybe if you go with the 6 months option, you may not get the the router at free of cost. You need to pay for the router, but you will get the free installation. But if you go with the 3 months option, even you will not get the free installation. Also, you have to pay for the installation charges as well as for the router. So that is how the different options are available for them. So what these people will do, once the leads are get qualified, okay, so to that customer, so till that time the marketing process is over. Okay, the customer is interested to take the product. Only thing is like which product he has to choose. Finally, we need to convince that particular customer to buy our product by explaining the features of that particular product and what is the benefits they are going to get. All those features we need to do as part of the sale, during the sales process. That we will not call it as a marketing process, because the customer is already willing to take the product. But only we need to explain about the competitors' benefit, advantage when compared to competitor. What will be the advantage which we are giving? All those things we need to explain as part of the sales process. Then only the customer will become the actual customer. It means he will will win the deal with the customer even after completing the sales process. Okay, so for that, what we will do is, what we'll call it as, once the lead is qualified, once the marketing process is completed, we'll call that particular thing as opportunity. Okay, in the Microsoft Dynamics, during the once the lead is entered into the sales process, okay, we'll call it as opportunity. If you see in the screen here, opportunity sales process is starting here. Okay, this is how the screen will look like. Okay, once we have the trial version, I can show it to you there, but this is a screenshot. Okay, once the lead got qualified, this is how the screen will look like. Opportunity sales process will start, and then
Sir, actually I cannot see your screen.
is it? Sorry.
Okay, okay.
Can you make me back as presenter? I think you are the presenter.
Then how can I do it, sir? Here?
Right hand side, just right click on my name.
Okay, okay.
And make me as a presenter.
Yeah, I did, sir. Can you see it?
Yes, yes. I hope you can able to see the screen now.
See.
Yeah, share the screen. So yeah, so once the lead is qualified, we can see the opportunity screen here. So this is a kind of this is the stage we will create a multiple opportunities for particular sale. Okay, we'll submit with 3 options, maybe for suppose the 1 year plan and 6 months plan, and another one is a 3 months plan. We'll create a 3 opportunities, and then we'll take it to the customer. Okay, in each option we will put all the features of that particular product, and we'll link it with the particular customer. Okay, because we need to understand, right, for which customer we are selling that product, and or if we are selling this service or product to the any of the company. In that case, we will put the company name here instead of specific person name. So here all the details, predefined fields will be there. So we'll fill all the data, including the cost linked to it, and the terms and conditions. All those things will get filled, and we'll submit it to the customer. Okay. So in that, based on once we fill all the details and take it to the customer. So if we get all the basic details of that particular product and the customer, and then we can further qualify that particular opportunity. Okay. Once it is submitted, and then we can take it to the further development process. Means so he may think that it's like he need more clarifications, or he may have some queries even after submitting. Okay, during the development stage we'll get it clarified, all those things. Let's suppose what are all the different payment options available. Can he pay with the credit card, or he can pay using the internet, like net banking, and like that. He may have several questions, so he will get clarified all those options, and then so we'll take it to the next development stage. Okay, so during the development stage, we'll just for making the process where that particular deal is in stage. Okay, let's suppose on the top managers, if we want to see, like if they are dealing with 100 new proposals. Okay, each proposal is in which stage they want to understand, right? It is in an initial stage, or in some already the initial discussions are completed and it's in some qualified stage, or it's in a development stage. It's like to understand the business or the transaction in a better way. So the Microsoft has given predefined flow with some set of stages, so that the top management or the sales team can understand each proposal is in which stage. So it has divided in that way, and once he is interested with that, and he'll submit the proposal. Okay, it's like final quotation. We'll submit it to the customer, right? He will take a printout, and he will give a kind of, this is what the final amount you will get. All kind of lot of in between there can be some bargainings will happen, right? Let's suppose this guy will tell some XYZ amount, but he wants some discount on it. He can't, but he will say like the other companies are giving for less price, or they're giving some other benefits like that, we used to tell, right? It's like in that scenarios, it's like this market, the sales people will have some advantage for them. Like let's suppose, okay, this is a kind of some festive season, and we can offer you some 5% discount. Okay, so during the development stage, during the discussion with the particular customer, during the process of the sale, they will say like, okay, that may not be applicable for all the customers, only for maybe for specific customers, uh, because because of that customer, there may be possibility of getting the more business. Okay, so they don't want to lose that business, so they can give that 5% discount, so that mm, there is a possibility of getting a few more business opportunities from the customer. So that's the reason they don't want to lose that opportunity. So during the development stage, they will give some discount, and then they will give the final proposal. Okay. So after based on our discussion, this is our final proposal after applying all the discussion, all the discounts and all, and then they will submit some kind of final proposal. Okay, if he is accepts that proposal, the customer accepts that proposal, that means that's a deal. Okay, this particular company has won the deal. In the sales technology, we'll call it as a deal. Okay, so from the opportunity, it will convert it as a deal. So from there, once the deal is confirmed, the remaining processes like it's like the customer has to pay the money, and that process will be altogether will be done in a different systems. Okay, CRM won't be taking care of those things. Okay, because CRM main content is like up to customer interaction will be there to nurture the customer and to interact with the customer. Those times generally the CRM is needed. But once the system, the business wants the deal, there is a different department that taking care of the kind of payments or financial things, because till this time the sales guys responsibility is over. Finally, he'll say this is the kind of final proposal and this is the amount you need to pay. If you pay this amount, your service will start from the next day onwards. Like that, these people will confirm. And so that is the reason once this deal is over, and in between during the payment process, if they face any of the challenges or something, definitely that will be taken care of some payment department or something. So altogether, that is a different process will come together. So once the deal is over and if the customer pays the amount, then the service will start, right? The customer service period will start. So always whenever he is using the particular internet service, he may have the option to connect to the customer service in between if he is facing any challenge in internet connectivity, or there is a lack of enough speed, he's getting a slow internet connectivity. Those kind of things, there is altogether a different channel will be there to connect with this company, and that will be taking care of customer service. He can raise some ticket. What they will do, they will give some contact number to contact to the call center, or they ask you to chat in the like chat window to the customers, to the customer service agents, or they will ask us to email with the problem by putting the screenshot. Like that, there are different channels to reach the particular company. Altogether, process will comes under customer service module. But yeah, that we will discuss in further session. But this is the sales process. Okay, so I hope you understand, right, Sumesh, like what is the sales process and what is the benefit of the sales process.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Yes. It's like the marketing process is it's in a very initial stage till the customer shows the actual interest. But after showing the actual interest also, till the deal is won, there is a set of process will be there. So because I have shown you very small example, in this small example, it's like getting the internet connectivity. It may not require much effort, hardly. If we spend 15-20 minutes, we may get a deal, or within the single connect to the customer, he may get won the deal. But it's like it's not the case in all the scenarios, right? In big businesses, it's like so if the man like particular sale value is in some course or something, in that case it's not like it's a very simple thing, right? It's not like you can simply go and talk with 15 minutes and he will accept the deal. Okay, it's like it requires a lot of discussions, and in between a lot of meetings will happen. Okay, actually maybe between this company and between the other company or between the other person, there will be some lot of meetings or lot of discussions will happen, and the proposal which this company has sent may not be accepted by that person. No, okay, and again these people has to revise that proposal and they need to resubmit the proposal. So there is a lot of process will happen. So it's like all that the main advantage of this CRM is like nothing is offline. Okay, whatever the customer interaction the company is doing with that customer, okay, each and every transaction, customer transaction will be tracking in the CRM. That is the advantage. Okay, so that it will be a kind of helpful to do a better service to the customer, and even for in future also they have a very good tracking. Okay, what was happened and what are all the different discussions happened, and even the phone call, everything will be like during the discussions. The customer service team will say, right? So these whatever the discussions will have, it's like it will be recorded for future reference purpose or something. They will say. So they have all the customer like
so
phone call
everything,
recordings.
yeah, everything we can track it, right, sir? We can track it, everything, each and every customers.
Yeah, every interaction, like the phone call interaction and the chat interaction, the email interactions, and at what time he had a call with that particular customer, and what was the output of that call. Let's suppose that call finally discussed, and they decided to have one more call or one more connect in the next 1 week or next maybe next in 2 days. So in the call output they will put like that, this is the discussion happened, and in the next meeting we'll connect, and then maybe we'll start filling the application form, like that. They will put it in that. So when the senior management of that particular salesperson, if he wants to understand what is happening, he no need to go to the salesperson and ask what is happened, and all. He can simply open that particular opportunity, and he can understand, okay, this particular sale is in so and so stage, and this is so this is the next step. Okay, so in between the sales process, it's like if they couldn't able to fill the some details, it's like for the senior manager who is all these sales people are reporting. Okay, they can see, they can filter using some criteria, and they can come back and ask the sales people like, oh, like the one particular guy is handling 10 sales. 10 sales, and but those sales were like started almost a month back, but even not progressing much. It's like you can come back, hey, what is happening? It's like almost there is a 1 month in the new lead has come, and but there is not much progress. It's like and even senior managers also having the very good tracking on the their sales and all, and then they can easily interact with the sales people and sort it out the things. Whenever it is required, he can get into that particular thing. Let's suppose in some cases the sales guy itself may not handle the situation. Like sometimes he may have to pull in his manager. Okay, because this person having more questions or a lot of things to clarify, he may not clarify all the things. He may have to pull in his manager as well. So in that case, he no need to go and tell to the manager these are the things for which it needs your intervention. It's like the manager itself can see it. It's like, oh, I may have to enter this because it looks like it is not progressing in a good way. So that we need to go in a better way to get that business to us. So in that case, it's like he manager having the good reporting for that particular sale or all the sales that are happening in the system. So it's like as shown you here, the Microsoft has divided the sales process into 4 stages. Okay, the opportunity sales process it is starting here, and the qualify stage, and the development stage, and the propose stage. Okay, and each stage some set of steps will be there. Okay, if you take here in the screenshot, it is showing propose stage. I think this screenshot is for develop, I guess. So identify in the develop stage, these are the steps they will perform. Okay. Identify the sales team, develop the proposal, complete interview, and present the proposal. All the steps they need to follow. Okay. So here, while sales processes,
So last one is propose stage, right? I'm sorry to interrupt.
Yeah, last one is propose stage.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. So here, as it is having the predefined steps, it is like without missing any of these steps, because for this particular company, when they are dealing with any sales business, they need to follow the second process. It's not like they can follow some ad hoc process or something, because this was designed using lot of discussions, internal business discussions, and they come up with some set of process. Okay, so all the sales people will follow that process, so that there is a more chances for them to get a business. Okay, and even it can be easily understood, right, whether sale is identified the sales team, or did they develop the proposal, or internal reviews are completed or not. Okay, whenever the one particular step is completed, the sales guy and log into the CRM and he can mark it here. Okay, so next time he no need to see like where that particular sale is there, and what was happened before, and what is the next step I need to do. They no need to bother about all these things. Whenever they open the opportunity, they can easily understand this particular business, where it is and what the next step they need to take. It will simply show it in the screen, so that they can take it from there. Okay, here if you see, it's a kind of, we'll call it as a business process flow. Whatever it is there, it is called as a business process flow. It is having the different stages in the business process flow, and each stage there are some steps. Okay, that steps they need to follow. So upon completion of each step, they can mark it as complete, and then they can click it on the next stage. Okay. So here within this navigation also, during the next stage, it's like we can do some backend configuration to send some emails. Okay. So we'll get some emails, right? Upon each stage, we'll get some based on today's discussion, this is what was happened. So thank you for today's for your time today. Like that, we'll get some emails, right? We can configure such kind of emails on each stage. Maybe during the qualify stage and during the development stage, we can send some automatic emails from the backend. Okay, so it's like this guy no need to manually go and send some email. Okay, this is what we have discussed, and like that, then no need to send any manual email. That will save a lot of time to the sales people as well. He can spend more time on working with the next next sale, instead of spending his time on sending the email, right? So that will save his time, and it will be help to improve the productivity. So those are the kind of automated business process flows we can configure from the backend. Okay, so if I shown here, we'll call it as a business process flow, and each stage there are different steps, and finally it will send to the proposal. This we will call it as the sales process within the Microsoft CRM.
One more thing, I just got it out.
Yeah, go on.
So you told that we have We have an access. Everyone has an access to see that, sir. Generally, in a company, if somebody got purchased some product or something like that, everyone will be having an access.
No,
look into that.
no.
Okay.
No, not everyone. Based on in the company, there are different departments will be there. So if I belongs to sales department and if I am dealing with the so and so products, so whatever the products which I am dealing with, only I have the access to solely that particular product.
Okay.
It's not like I can see everything. If I am a kind of managing director or CEO of the company, yeah, definitely I need to have access to the everything. I need to see each and everything. But based on the particular person's role in the company, he is a kind of regional head for India. Okay, he can see only India data. If another guy is head for some UK region, they can see only UK data. It's not like all the kind of data segregations or security related complaints, all those things need to be configured. Actually, it's like Microsoft and having the capability to handle all those scenarios, but it's like we need to divide as per our business. It's like it is completely dependent on each and every business. It's not like all the businesses will have the common thing, because few businesses may like there are some businesses so they are specific to one country. Let's suppose few businesses will work in only in India. If you take any some business, it will only in India. Within India, they will divide. Okay, within India, they will divide like different states. So like that, it will be there. In that case, we no need to go with kind of multilingual process and all. We can simply put the English and everyone can understand like that. It's like if it is spread across on the even currency also, it's the common currency across the regions within India, right? So there is no need to go configure the multi-currency option there. Okay, only if it is across the geographies, at that time we need to go with multi-currency option. So that is entirely depends on the business model of the particular company. Okay, the customer. Let's suppose it's like if we are selling the product to the XYZ company, that particular company having so and so. If they want to do business in a global way, or if they want to do business only to the specific region, like that, it will depend. Okay, let's suppose maybe if the company initially start using this product to one region and later they want to extend it to other regions as well. In that case, while implementing itself, we need to keep in mind that it should work for all the regions. We should not implement in such a way that it will work for only one region, right? So because we have to extend this application for other regions as well. So while initial configuration itself, we need to keep all the things in mind and we need to build the application. And again, if you see the sales process here, these are the three different modes, okay? But all employees may not, they might have different process as well within their sales, okay? It's like they cannot simply come and follow the process that is defined by Microsoft. Okay? What they have say is like, I have a set of process already implemented, but I need a tool to track those things. Okay, you need to define any process for me, because we have there in the market since many decades. We have some expert sales team will be there, but we need some software to track all our things. That is the only thing they want. They don't want to follow the process that is defined by Microsoft. Okay? So in that case, we need to incorporate their existing business process into this application. Okay, we need to. It's like that is where we'll do the kind of analysis on that. Okay, this is what their business. This is how CRM functionality or CRM features are there. How we need to fit each and every of their requirement into this business. That is where all the initial architecture design, solutioning, and the actual application design, functional process, all these things before coming into the development stage itself, the project will go through a lot of discussions, and they will understand the business requirements in a very well way. and they will the business people will they know only the business. Okay, they don't know about our CRM product or although they don't know any technical knowledge. They have only business knowledge about their business. Okay, it's like what are the products they are selling, what are the services they are offering, and finally what is the revenue they are expecting, and how much revenue they are expecting from each region, yeah, what is their current market share prices, all those things they know because that is their business. Okay, but they don't know anything about CRM. Okay, if we come and talk about here, yeah, you need to write some .NET code here, or you need to write some JavaScript here. If you say all those things, definitely they cannot understand because they are not the kind of technical people, or they don't know any kind of programming stuff and all. It's like it's only thing is like while understand that is where there are some of the many people will be included in the project, right? So the business within the projects as well, there are some people who are business analysts. So their duty is like understanding the customer business. Okay, and then it's like even the development team also, if we want to interact with the customers, first we need to understand their business. Okay, we cannot directly jump into the technicality. First, we need to discuss about their business, and then we have to come back and sit. We need to divide. Okay, if they told about their marketing process that is happening currently, okay, we have to come back and see. We need to divide that marketing process into maybe 100 steps. Okay, 100 requirements we need to divide. And each and every requirement we need to, because they are the expert in the business. We are expert in Microsoft Dynamics functionality. Okay, so by understanding their business, as we are experts in the Dynamics, how we need to fit their business into this particular product so that they can use this application in a better way to track their business and to ease their business and to improve their sales. Let's suppose currently I can tell you in the sales scenario, I can give you the example. Okay, manager do not have the proper visibility on where the each sale is there and what is the exact status of the sales and mm, what if there are any sales people having any challenges or something. Like they don't have the tracking, okay, because of that they are losing this lot of business. Okay, so what this tool will help is like once they started using the business, this particular sales manager having a lot of visibility, okay, and they can understand what are all the gaps or our sales team is lacking so on. So there are some things like sales people will go and simply try to sell the product, but they may not have the complete knowledge of the product and all. It's like at that time, what they can do is they can conduct some trainings. Once they understand the real business is not growing, okay, what they can do is they will conduct some trainings to their sales team about the products. Okay, it's like once they conduct the training, so that when they are dealing with the customers, they can offer the product in a very better way to the customers. So that is how this tool will help to grow their business. It is like this tool we may like automatically will not help in that. By you started using this product, it's not like they will get the benefit with the benefits or they will get the profits. It's not like that. Okay, it's like they what is their strategy, business strategy, and based on that only they will get the profits. And in what way, if they want to automate the processes by avoiding the manual work. Let's suppose every day the sales people are spending 2 hours of their time for sending the emails. Okay, if they are handled with 15 or 20 customers in a day, so every day they need to send the emails for 1 hour or 2 hours. So this by using this tool, okay, so that they have avoided 2 hours of their customers sales guys time for in sending the emails, because the system will automatically send the email. So within the 2 hours, each sales guy can work on another sale instead of spending on the time. So each guy is doing one extra sale in that day. and that means in a month they can do 30 extra sales from each sales guy. And let's suppose if they have 30 customer, 30,000 sales people are there in their company, 1,000 into 30 means 30,000 extra sales they can do. That is the advantage they get. 30,000 extra sales into what is the revenue of each deal. Okay.
So don't mind, sir. Can you come again?
Means like let's suppose if they have 30,000 sales extra they get in a month. Okay, that is definitely the benefit for them, right? For the company after using this sales tool.
Yeah.
Yes, and the revenue also. It's like 30,000 deals they won means each deal is having some value, right? Some deal is $5,000 or $10,000 based on the business they are doing. That is the revenue they have got. Definitely, that we'll call it as a return of investment, right? Let's suppose if they have spent some XYZ, some $1,000 on this product development, okay? Because of spending $1,000, if they get $500, $5,000 as profit. Okay, so what they can say, remaining $4,000 as their revenue, return of investment, right? So if because of putting $1,000 on this product development, that will help them to get the $4,000 extra business. Okay, that is a kind of return of investment, right? That is a strategy and all that can be discussed during the during the development stage of this product, implement during the initial business discussions, so that it can be used the product in a much better way. So let's suppose if the particular, as I told you before, here there are 4 steps are there that is predefined by Microsoft. Instead of that, if there are having 8 steps, opportunity, sales, product, because these are the common like in every business is marketing, sales, customer service, all these are common, but internally the process may vary between each business. Okay, that process will be defined here. So if they have a 8 steps instead of 4, and we can customize this particular process flow. I can show it to you during the development time. We can customize to set the 8 stages, and then each stage, what are all the steps that needs to be followed. All that can be configured here. Okay, and under each stage, what are all the validations we need to put using this business process? All those things, it can be configured flows here. Yeah. So I hope it is clear.
I've got an idea how it works.
Yeah. Yes. It's like opportunity will be there, and they will qualify the opportunity, and there will be some development will happen, and then finally they will submit a proposal, and then if the customer accepts the particular proposal, they will do the deal. Okay, this is the sales process.
So what we're saying is we can even modify this one, like opportunity, qualified, development, and depends on the product and depends on the company. Yes. We can modify. We can insert our own.
Yes. Yeah, that is a. Yes, that can be customized based on the business.
Okay, got it.
So the kind of flexibility products.
Yes, sir. So the sales process, like all this will be taken care by one of us, like CRM team, you mean to say, sir? Or like there are other departments who will.
No. The development teams only will be taken care.
Okay, only this all comes under development. That's it, right, sir?
Yeah. Even customizations like modifying the sales process based on their requirement, creating the different stages under each stage, putting the different steps. This is all these things will come under a customization part. These customizations will be done by development teams.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Yeah, and in between, it's not like here we are seeing these validations are very simple, but in the real time, it may be complex. So they have a lot of conditions. Okay, they will say that complete the internal review based on some predefined steps. Okay, what they will say is like it's like if they upload the 4 documents, then only we can set it as a complete internal review. So while completion itself, it will not allow sales guy to complete this process until there are 4 documents uploaded into the system. That kind of validation maybe business will ask. Okay, so in that case, we backend we need to write some code. Okay, whether sales guy has uploaded so and so documents or not. Okay, and only when all the documents are uploaded, then only we should allow to that kind of complex requirements will be there. All those things will complete that we can allow to complete it, otherwise we'll show some message, hey, go and upload the documents before completing this step. Like that, we'll put some a warning message to this so that the sales guy will not miss the compliance. Okay, it's like otherwise it's like if they didn't put all the validations or that, it's like the compliance will not be good, right? It's like they may miss some data during the deal process. Like let's suppose if they have to get some documents from the customer during the sale process for buying buying some product to him. Okay, let's suppose they need to collect their address proof or ID proofs, all those things. Definitely, it's like there should be some stage where they need to validate all those things, right? Whether they're following the compliance or not, how it can be done. For that backend, we need to write a code and then we need to validate it. So upon acting on that particular action, we'll allow to perform this one. So that's how we can then that's where the developers intervention will be there. It will be the developer's duty is like here they need to understand the business and they need to know the product in a very well mannered, and they need to see like how to use the inbuilt features. If it is still not supporting the inbuilt features, so we need to extend the product like in a Microsoft suggested way. It's not like we have to do in some one or some other way. Microsoft having some predefined guidelines how we need to extend this product. Okay, by using that guidelines only, we have to extend this product, because this is not a kind of normal standalone application, which is not a custom application. This is a Microsoft product. We need to customize this product within the Microsoft suggested manner only. Okay,
under some boundaries.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, this is about today. If we get the trial version ready, we can show it in the system. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So you want me to try it later after, like in the afternoon or in the evening, or
yes.
What you want me to do it?
Yeah. You can try to create the trial version because we are getting some error. You can try after some time.
So once it is generated, I think they're gonna ask some INR and everything, right, sir? I mean,
yeah, it will ask you some long, like no, you see the trial version, you don't need to pay anything.
Okay. No, sir, not the amount I'm asking. You have shown us, right? I think
currency and all.
Currency and all this. I think you have shown us, right? Yeah, sure.
Yes. It may ask in between. Otherwise, it may not ask also, because we have selected a region, right? India. So based on the India region itself, it may set the automatic value. But in between, if it asks any of the currencies or all those things, yeah, you can give it accordingly.
Yeah, understood.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, good day, sir. Bye.